StakeUs promo with code CGDEALS. The best code in this video, I am going to teach you how to use the StakeUs promo code CGDEALS to claim your welcome bonus and how to maximize every single coin you receive on the platform. If you have been searching for the best way to get started on StakeUs with the most value possible, stay with me because I am going to walk you through the entire sign-up process and show you how to stack your bonuses like a pro. Before we jump in, let me quickly explain what StakeUs actually is for anyone who is brand new. StakeUs is a sweepstakes-style social casino with a huge library of games, from slots and live dealer titles to its own in-house originals. StakeUs does not operate as a real money gambling site. Instead, it uses a dual currency system. StakeUs uses a dual currency system with gold coins for fun play and stake cash for redeemable gameplay, where winnings can be cashed out at a 1-to-1 rate. This is important to understand because when you enter the promo code CGDEALS, the bonus you receive will be in these two currencies, not in real dollars. Now let me show you exactly how to use the code CGDEALS step by step. Step 1. Head over to the official StakeUs website and click on the register button in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. You will need to create a username and password, select your state, and enter your date of birth. You can also speed up the process by signing up through Google, Facebook, or Twitch if you prefer. Step 3. This is the most important step. Look for the promo code field and type in CGDEALS. Make sure you enter it exactly as spelled, all capital letters, CGDEALS. It is important that you do this in the first 24 hours of your account creation to ensure you do not miss the bonus window. Step 4. Complete the identity verification process. After creating your account, you must verify your identity with a mobile device. You do this by scanning a QR code or clicking a link, then uploading pictures of your ID and a selfie. This is a mandatory step before you can receive any bonuses or play any games. Step 5. After you verify yourself, you will receive the bonus within 48 hours. New users can claim up to 25 stake cash and 250,000 gold coins. Check your email, including your spam folder, if you do not see it right away. Now here is where most people stop, but I want to show you how to keep building your balance beyond the initial bonus. Step 6. Claim your daily login bonus. Every day you log in, you will receive 10,000 gold coins and 1 stake cash, which increases with each consecutive login. Sign into StakeUs at least once for 30 days straight to rack up daily login bonuses, totaling 300,000 gold coins and 30 stake cash by the end of the promo period. That means your total bonus value over the first month can be significantly higher than just the initial sign-up amount. Step 7. Look for bonus drop codes. These are special promotional codes that unlock free stake cash for all players who meet the terms. StakeUs releases new bonus drop codes through the official Telegram channel daily. Bonus drop codes award you with any amount ranging from 2 stake cash to 6 stake cash. To redeem these, go to your settings, then offers, and enter the code in the bonus drop field. Now let me quickly cover the important rules you need to know. The stake cash carries a 3 times playthrough before you can redeem it, where most social casinos ask for 1 times. So if you receive 25 stake cash, you need to play through 75 stake cash worth of wagers before that balance becomes eligible for redemption. Also, gold coins have no monetary value but can be used to play all games in the catalog. Stake cash can be redeemed for prizes after being played through 3 times. One more critical thing to know is eligibility. Currently, residents of the following states are not eligible to participate in StakeUs sweepstakes: Arizona, California, Connecticut, Delaware, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Michigan, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Tennessee, Vermont, Washington, and West Virginia. All players must be at least 21 years of age to sign up, claim the bonus, and play at StakeUs. Now here is your pro tip. Start with low stakes and use gold coins to test game mechanics and identify which ones have the best payout ratios. Shift to stake cash once confident, and focus your stake cash on games you understand to minimize risk. Many new players burn through their stake cash bonus in the first hour because they jump into high-stakes games without understanding the mechanics. Instead, use your 250,000 gold coins to find 2 or 3 games you enjoy and understand, learn the bonus features, and then use your stake cash strategically on those specific titles. This approach gives you the best shot at meeting that 3 times playthrough requirement and actually having a redeemable balance. To recap what we covered today: Head to StakeUs, register your account, enter promo code CGDEALS during sign-up, complete your identity verification, and receive your welcome bonus. Then log in every single day for 30 days to collect your daily bonus, and follow the StakeUs social channels for additional bonus drop codes throughout the week. Use gold coins to practice and save your stake cash for games you actually understand. Remember, StakeUs is a social sweepstakes casino designed for entertainment. Always play responsibly and never spend more than you are comfortable with. If you or someone you know has a gambling problem, call 1-800-GAMBLER for help. If this video helped you get set up with the best bonus on StakeUs, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more promo code guides and sweepstakes casino tips. Drop a comment below and let me know if the code CGDEALS worked for you and what games you are playing first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.